On Sunday afternoon, the 572 migrants carrying geobarons and the Norwegian flags touched down in Catania. As the ship pulled into the port, the migrants on board cheered. Later, the Red Cross provided food and water to the ship, while authorities checked the migrants on board and let families, children, and those with medical conditions alight.
At the moment, the people that is remaining behind without this embarkation, we don't know what's going to happen. We haven't received any further instructions to what is the situation with them.
3 other ships, which carry a total of 900 migrants, asked for permission to dock, but early made clear that the countries with their flags on the ships are the ones who should take care of these migrants.
30 requests have been sent in total to maritime authorities for now, among them 13 to Italian authorities. For now, no positive answer has been replied by maritime authorities.
Meanwhile, the new Prime Minister, Giorgia Meloni, allowed only those identified as vulnerable to disembark. As a result, humanitarian groups and 2 Italian politicians have traveled to Sicily to protest against the process.